All right, today we are in Manchester, Connecticut, 69 Edmund Street. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. Before we even go inside to say hi to Liz Waterhouse from Executive Real Estate, let's just real quick take a tour around this backyard. This yard is enormous and super level. If you want great outdoor spaces, this yard is awesome. Let's go on inside. Liz is ready to show us around. You're gonna love this place. I think currently listed at $275. Come on, let's go check it out. Liz!
What's going on, Brad?
Got it out, blow it up. All right, we are here. We're gonna need you to show us around because I love this place. We just flew around the backyard. That's
awesome.
Pretty awesome, awesome feature. All right, you wanna show us around? Maybe start this way?
Great, sounds awesome. This home has 3, possibly 4 bedrooms, 1 full bath, 1 half bath. It is a little over 1,400 square feet. There are lots of windows that provide great lighting. Freshly painted first floor. It was built in 1927. The backyard is fully fenced in, and there is a spacious 2-car garage with storage up top. The neighborhood is quiet. We are close to local shopping, major highways, great restaurants not too far away. It has hardwood floors throughout.
This is a great bedroom off of the master here with access to a really large attic.
The attic is huge, has great potential to be renovated into another room.
This house was great. If you agree, you want more information on this property, right here in Manchester, Connecticut, super convenient. Reach out to Liz. Her contact information's on the screen. You want to get pre-approved? Hey, my contact information's there as well. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. This has been your local look. See you next time. We're out of here.